Let me show you how to make better than store-bought peach compote in your microwave. No fancy equipment, no mysterious ingredients, just pure fruit perfection. Start with 2 ripe peaches, peel and chop them into generous chunks. Irregular pieces create the best texture. Combine with 2 spoons of rock sugar and a cup of water in a microwave-safe bowl. That's it. No additives, no preservatives, just honest ingredients. Microwave on high for 8 minutes. Watch through the glass as the syrup bubbles and the peaches soften into translucent jewels. The aroma will fill your kitchen with the essence of summer. Let it cool completely before refrigerating overnight. This patience is rewarded with transformed fruit. The peaches absorb the syrup while maintaining their shape, creating that classic compote texture we all love. That fast, chilled spoonful is revelation. The natural peach flavor intensified by the light syrup, the firm yet yielding texture, and the knowledge you made something better than anything from a can. This isn't just dessert, it's a summer capture in a bowl. The method works with virtually any fruit. Apples become tender spiced compote. Grapes transform into sophisticated dessert toppings. Cherries pass with intensified flavor. This is one technique that keeps giving all year round.